of this. So basically all we have to do is we need to get out of here. Alright, what did we do? We unlocked a thing. Just that, it's basic. There's a lot of stuff that plays into me disappearing from YouTube. It is wrapped in a nice plastic bag. Okay, here it is. So, alright, our Mac is now ready to set up to use. So we are going to boot straight into Mac OS 10.8. And it appears like it detected this as an iMac. So I want to see what type of iMac that this thinks it is. 10 on the bottom was changed. I believe that the Note 10 will come with the same triple cameras that the S10 Plus came with. The S10 is a noteworthy achievement for smartphone displays, but the company is exploring full-screen displays without any cutouts. This is Bubba here, and today we will be restoring a Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus to factory condition. With this being my first smartphone restoration, I was very eager to see if it works. Turns out that temperature symbol wasn't the temperature sensor, it was the fact that the battery was too cold since I just got it out of the mail. And has 120 gigabytes of internal storage, small notch at the top, and a chin on the bottom. Today we're going to be discussing if Windows To Go is obsolete now. So what is Windows To Go? Now we need to select the EFI system partition. This is the worst experience that I've had with Comcast yet, and it involves the X-Fi pods. But there is a workaround to this little memory issue. We have to use switches to set up Windows 98.
And today we're going to be taking a look at a very underrated Linux distribution called Debian OS. And it seems to be working fine, throwing this cracked and broken iPhone 10 back to factory condition. I didn't have a tri-wing screwdriver, so a few days later I had one from iFixit, using the magnetic. Thank you all for your continuous support over the last year in 2019. I hope we can continue this trend and continue to grow our channel in 2020. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you all in the next one.